girls that I know suddenly seem so. Suddenly no one quiet can compare to her. Why she's fantastic, I do not know what to do. Or is a guy to contribute? All the girls my own age and me turning the page. There's a we gotta try. She don't do nothing, why she's fantastic, I do not know what to do. What is a guy to contribute? Just like in that old movie by Collector Spell, I feel obsessed like Scotty Fell. Minus the drama and the fraud, I hope I get to get into her way. Out of my way. All the girls in this room sure look pretty and groomed, but I must let you down. She's ahead of your house, she's fantastic, I do not know what to do. Honestly, what can I contribute? Just like in that old movie by Rebecca Spell, I feel like Max never fell. Minus the drama and the fraud, I hope I got to get into her way. Out of my way. When I dream about girls that I've seen, very few reach beyond my eyes after I'm gone. No one makes me so weak, none appear so unique. In a cluster of freaks, she is all that I seek. No one makes me confused, and so certain I lose. I'm battered and bruised, I'm disheveled but true. Everything is a blur, everything is a blur. None of this would occur if it wasn't for her. She's fantastic, I do not